Take a step outside and seize the day now.
Hey Journey More, we are here in Old Fort, North Carolina at one of the most booked and sought after Treehouse Airbnbs. We are so excited to have gotten a night to stay here and film our stay. Let's go.
Groceries, go to the Airbnb, so we're excited to take you with us. So cute!
This looks quite cool. And look, the lights lining the...
I'm excited.
Me too. Holy cow. I don't think I've ever stayed in a place quite like this before.
The host said that she was going to leave it open for us.
Yes. Whoa.
So pretty.
This is like Nikki's dream house in here.
It is.
Oh, wow. It's like it came out of the tree.
We need to know where these came from.
I know.
They've had so many people stay here that they have to fill
Multiple.
another notebook. What? Cinnamon rolls.
Oh, gosh. Wow, look at this view.
Your own private
This
view.
privacy. This is like one of the coolest staircases ever.
This is so cool. There is a little gnome village.
Oh, hot tub.
Rocking chair. All the fixtures and finishes are
It's a great style.
beautiful. Let's go get our luggage and settle in.
Let's do it. I think it's time for a tour of this beautiful tree house.
So when you first get here, you come down this beautiful gravel pathway, and once you come to the cabin, you get to go across this rope drawbridge to get up to the treehouse. So let's go. This is the definition of gorgeous farmhouse, modern, beautiful style. I'm in love with it. So just wait and see all the touches. It's amazing. First to start out is this beautiful bed that we have, which is so cute and so comfortable. I love it. And then they've got cute little nightstands. Cool thing is they actually have some games and some cards. 200 questions for couples to strengthen emotional intimacy. Such a sweet touch. Like, I love it.
It is.
And then over here, you have this sweet little dining room area that's so cute with the way that it's decorated. Look at these ropes. This is so awesome. This is the living room area. It's got a precious little couch that's super comfortable that you can sit on. They've got this chest that they are using as a coffee table. Inside of this, there are some games too. So if you want to have some fun and play more games, they've got like chess and checkers.
They've got a few others in there.
Tic-tac-toe. Yes.
Oh yeah.
Over here, this is so sweet. They have welcoming cinnamon rolls. An entire bottle of wine from the Biltmore. I believe this is like a homemade bar of soap.
I like that they like support
local businesses.
Yes. I think that
Does it
that's
smell
cool.
good?
That's so good.
So good. And then this beautiful fireplace that they have sets the tone, and then a great TV if you want to watch movies. And on to the kitchen. So they've got everything that really you need if you want to make a meal. Look at all of these amenities that they have. Everything from popcorn and oatmeal to tea. They've got even Propel packets for you. They give you a couple of water bottles, and then you've got some beer too. Plus plenty of towels. And down here, we've got a trash can, cleaning supplies, first aid kit, towels for the hot tub, essentially everything you need down here.
I think all I'll show them the outside.
Show them the outside.
Look at this. Just beautiful woods, beautiful view. Come out here, sit on the little bench that they have. They did say that they have seen bears here, so we are hoping, fingers crossed, that we will get to see a bear. This is actually your bathroom. Outdoor shower. Coming on in here, we've got a composting toilet, which we now know how to use. Awesome outdoor shower. I love the metal paneling. I'm gonna go to one of my other favorite spots. I love how they did the ropes. And then underneath, they've got a hot tub. We are really gonna enjoy this tonight. That's the tour of this cabin. Now we're gonna go kind of unpack our things, get cozy, and then maybe start some dinner. So,
Let's do it.
Let's go.
How's that bed?
Shouldn't have gotten into it because now I don't want to get out.
But we must. It is dinner time.
Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
It is literally magical walking up this pathway. Get some mood lighting going in here.
That's a cinnamon roll.
I don't think I've ever worn a robe before. But my wife wants me to wear the robe with her down to the hot tub. That's what we're gonna do. It's actually super soft.
It's so soft and so
nice.
warm.
Look at that. I'm robed up.
You are robed up. You look so
You
good.
like in a robe?
I do.
Well, I think you look super
You're
cute.
handsome.
So.
Oh, thanks.
It's like chilly
It's
outside
cold.
too. It's too hot, apparently. Here. Oh, it's definitely hot too. Back inside, relaxing romantic nights.
We are going to do this little activity.
Yes.
Love is a game that two can play and both win.
I would agree. Ooh, okay. What is your favorite date night dinner?
Oh. Is your birthday in the back of It is time for bed. Magical now. But I only poured a mug full. Well.
Did you fix your problem now?
My mouth is-
Time to enjoy this outdoor shower.
How is it?
It feels so good.
Time to do one of my favorite parts. Write them in notes.
We are so sad that we are about to leave. This is definitely the perfect place for the romantic getaway. It is amazing. We are sad.
We don't
So,
want to go.
we don't. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is an amazing, incredible treehouse. One of the best, most booked in North Carolina. If you want to book a stay yourself, we will link it in the description below. definitely a place you want to bring your significant other because it is amazing.
So good. Especially for like a special date or anniversary or
Oh,
something.
yeah.
This is an awesome getaway for that. So highly consider coming here. It's amazing.
Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel. We've got new videos coming out every week. We're excited for our upcoming stays in some of the most incredible places. So stick around for those. Come journey more with us.
And we'll see you next time. Was this stovetop burning? What do you call this?
Wrong way.
Oh,